my channel. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for future notification. And let's start our series called Practice SQL with me. And today we will see a couple of examples with respective of OR logical operator, so that you will get a good hands-on, and then we can move forward to the AND operator and rest of the things. Okay, let's go to our the question. Okay, here we have a question called write an SQL query. Okay, to fetch the records which have at least one yellow presence in any of the column 1, column 2 or column 3. Create a table. Okay, this is the we have create table data. Let's insert data. Let's delete this one. Okay, now we are inserting the column 1, column 2 and column 3, guys. Okay, and ID as well, don't worry, we will break it down so that it will be clear for us. So let's create a table. This is the practice table. Okay, we got created and we are inserting the values in that practice table. Okay, now the question is that, okay, what is the question? We have to fetch the records which have at least one yellow presence in any of the column. So how we can write this? Is simple, as we discussed. Okay, select star from, what is the table name? Practice where condition, then we will break it down and we can, any of the column should have a yellow. Okay, column 1 equal to, what is that color we need to fetch it, yellow, or column 2 equal to yellow spelling is, we are doing wrong. This is yellow or column 3 yellow. So this is the condition. Let's see, are we going to match the output what we are going to give or not? We will see it. Okay, in a seconds. One is red, one is 3 and okay, some mistake we are doing. Column 1 equal to yellow. Are we going to give 2 column? Okay, case sensitivity we are giving. Okay, we did a mistake of giving title case in one record. Okay, so this is the output what we are getting, right? This is the output has given. What is the output? By using this query, let's copy the query and paste it over here. We got it. Why it is not copying? First of all, copy and paste, right? We got the same output as we are expecting, right? Now second question, write an SQL query to fetch the student name who has scored 90 or appeared in chemistry. Okay, we have to fetch only student name in a student table who have scored more than 90 or so who are appeared the exam in the chemistry. Okay, let's create this table. Okay, let's do it. Now we have created the table and inserted the data. Now condition is that, okay, so who appeared in chemistry and scored or scored 90 marks. So simple, right? So we have tried select star from student table. No, not star. So we need to fetch only names. Okay, only name, only student name. Okay, where subject subject equal to CHE or marks equal to 90. Okay, now let's execute. Now here, what are the columns we need to display output? This one, right? A, not this one. This one A. Okay, 1 second. What are the things we'll get? We'll get A result. We'll get again A results. Then again we get a C results, and again we get a D results. How many total records we'll get? 1, 2, 3, and 4 records we need to display here. That is the desired output basically. One error record. Okay, 1 second. 90 subject. Okay. See, we got all the 1 record, 2, 3, 4, 5 records we got. How we can get 5 records? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 records. Correct, 5 records we got. So it is getting confusion, right? Only names, and also we can display student name and subject and marks. It will get more clarity on this. Okay, see. Okay, who are 90 marks, 95 marks also it is getting. Chemistry, since it is matching, chemistry is matching, so 85 also getting. PHY 90. So this is what the output for this one. Okay, now while pasting here, we just need name here. According to this question, we will remove this one and this one. This is the output. Okay, we are getting guys. Writing a query is simple if you are understanding the problem very carefully. Okay, now write an SQL query to fetch the records employees who are working in HR department and employees who are working in HR or sales department, employees who are working in tech department or earning salary 900. Okay, this is a bit, there are 3 conditions are there. Okay, now let's create a table. One second, here not much data is included, right? There much data is not included. Okay, this question the SQL query to fetch the records employee data, employees who are working in HR department, employees who are working in HR or sales department, employees who are working in a tech department or earning salary of 900. Okay, we will create our own data, no worries. Okay, let's first create a table. Okay, let's make a room for enter the data. Now let's go and copy the first insert statement. Okay, now let's copy. Okay, HR, what are the departments are there? First we will make it a department. Okay, HR department, sales department, tech department. Okay, and okay, 900. Okay, no worries, we will modify the data. HR, sales, tech. Okay, we will give it like We will, let's see in the future how we can work with basically in case sensitivity. Tech department, HR, leave it. Sales, we'll copy and paste it simply, why you need to worry. And tech department, we will modify some of the salaries. Okay, 400, 700, 900, 900. Okay, now we need to change B. Okay, leave it. This is what we will insert the table in data. We inserted the data. Now understand the query. Okay, step by step we will execute. Okay, question A is that employees who are working in HR department, this is the condition. Okay, how we can simply display the solution for this one. Select star from department where name equal to HR, right? So for this is answer. This is a simple answer where we got. Okay, let's copy this answer and paste it for this. Okay, now next one is that employees who are working in HR or sales department, both. How we can do that? Simple. Here we have to put or department name equal to sales, right? We get it both the things. So for this is the answer. And employees who are working in a tech department are earning a salary, so there should be condition we need to cut. So simple, go to here, then modify this tech department and who are making a salary of 900. Okay, that is the integer value. Let's make it 900. So now let's modify your data. Sales also is there, no worries. Okay, now if you see invalid number, what is invalid number? Department. Okay, this is salary, right? Okay, now tech department also came, sales also is came. That means, so either one should satisfy, as we discussed, right? If anything which is satisfied, that data will be fetched. Okay, simply this is the results for this one. Okay, so how we can combine all this in one query? Simply, so department name HR, we can simply will use later department name in tech comma HR comma sales, or now we will see the results. See, we will get all in one table. Salary is 900, tech department, sales department, we got, right? So this is combining the results. Okay, this is also one good solution to access all these things. Now let's go to the question 4. What is the question 4? Write a SQL query to fetch the employee details whose name is A or employee ID is 2. So here this is simple only, you don't require to bother anything. Okay, we have to write an SQL query. So either employee name is A or employee ID 2. We have to fetch those records. Let's copy it, go here and let's create it. So everything is created. Now we have to write simple query to fetch the records who are whose employee is having a name of A and whose employee is having a ID to either both or. Okay, option guys, it is like select star from employee where name equal to A or emp id equal to 2. Simple guys, right? Now we will see the results. See, employee ID A, employee ID 2, employee ID not A, employee name is A and employee ID 2. We got the two results for this query. Okay, let's cut the results and paste it for the question 4. Let's now dive into the question 5. What is the question 5? Write a SQL query to fetch the employee name, only employee name, whose salary is 100, whose salary is negative, and whose salary is greater than 150, whose salary is 100 or employee is 8, whose salary is 100 and employee is 8. Again, both salary is 100 and employee is 8. Okay, this is a simple table. We will see. Name is already used. Okay, employee 1 we will use it, no worries. Okay, now let's step by step we'll understand the query. What is whose salary is 100? Okay, this is simple. First for this one, let's write a query. How we can write query? Select, you need to get the employee name only. Employee name, for sake we will display salary also, but for your better understanding I am displaying as per the query. We have just need to put to fetch the employee name. That's it guys. Employee name from employee 1 where salary equal to 100. This is the first one. First condition, we will increase the complexity. Okay, 100. So we got these results. Or salary equal to minus 100 or minus negative values. How we can fetch the negative values? Even I don't know. Let's fetch it. How to get fetch simple. Select negative values only if exist. SQL query. We will see the results. We will see. We will see some simple answer. W3 skills. We will go through W3 schools. Okay, simply this is the best reference. Okay, simple guys. So how we can fetch the record? Simply I will tell you. So where salary is less than 0, okay, less than 0 is all the negative values will come. Or now 1 second, it has to work guys. SQL. Okay, now see, you got right. Now we can use like salary equal to 100, or now this will work, no worries. See, now we got the negative values. Below 0 is negative values, right? We got the 400 also. Now little bit increase the query complexity. Whose salary greater than 150? So that also you need to get. And whose salaries or salaries greater than 150, right? So there is a bit more, one more, this one, right? Now see, 150 also you got, greater than 150, that is what, right? That was the ask. And whose salary is 100 or employee ID is 8. Now we need to put this one, already under 100 is there in our query, right? Now where is that, man? Already 100 is there, then or employee ID equal to 8. This also we need to get the records. Now here we are displaying only this one, right? We will display employee ID also. Before, are we getting 8? 1 2 3 4 5. See, here with this condition we are getting only uh, till 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 IDs, but we are not getting 8 ID. Here we don't have a data also for 8 ID. Okay, let's put 8 ID and let's mention here maybe 200. Now display it. Now see, 8th ID is not coming. Why 8 employee ID? Employee ID is not coming. Why? Too many. Oh, we are okay. Executing from here only. Why this is not coming? Okay, this is irrespective of and, so we are not discussing here, and we will discuss in the next question, but I hope you understand the question. Now let's dive into the sixth question. Write an SQL query to fetch the employee details with employee ID 1 or 2 or 8. So we have to fetch the details of employee ID 1, 2 and 8, either one, whichever meets the condition in the respective table. Okay, okay, 2 also is there. Let's do it too. Now we have to write a query to select star from employee to where employee ID equal to 2. What is the ask? Like, let me go to see 1 to 8. Okay, ID number 1 comma or 1 or employee ID 2 or employee ID 8. This is the results we need to get. Why the data is not displaying? Invalid identifier. Okay, what is the column name? Employee. Okay, here I did a mistake. empdi. Oh, what is the mistake we are doing? We are doing something. Okay, here we are doing. Okay, this is what now we will get. Okay, we have got 1 2 because 8 is not there. No worries. So we solved this question. Now write an SQL query to fetch the employee details who are working under the manager ID 5. Okay. No, this is simple only. Seventh question. Okay. Let's create a table. Employee. Where are we gone, man? Now before that we will drop this table because we don't want to modify. Drop table. Ignore this statement. We will learn later about the drop. Okay, employee tab is created. Final question of the R class. Okay, what is the ask here is that we have to fetch the employees who are working under the manager ID is equal to 5. That is a simple. This is a condition. Let's copy it. So let's start from employee where manager ID equal to 5. Okay, run. So manager ID is 555. We got the employees 2, employee ID 2, employee ID 4, employee ID 5 are the people who are working under the manager ID 5. That is the output for the last question, guys. I hope you people understand how to use R class or operator in the where class. Thank you so much. So we will discuss and operator questions in the upcoming video. Thank you, guys.